Have you ever noticed why it is so hard to study these days? You can watch Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and Netflix for hours without getting tired, but the moment you sit down and study, within 5 minutes your brain starts wandering. You check your phone and then the notification come and then your brain starts wandering everywhere. And then you remember something else. And before you know it, entire hour is gone. But the chapter is still unfinished. Or maybe you are someone who sit at the study table for 3 hours, but at the end of the day you realize you only studied for 30 minutes. If this sounds familiar, you are not alone. The problem might not be your intelligence. The problem might not even your discipline. The real problem is something much bigger. So hello everyone, my name is Dr. Amit. So what is actually happening to us? I genuinely believe that our generation is dealing with something that no generations in the past had ever had to deal with. For the first time in the human history, thousands of companies are competing with each other for our attention. Instagram, Netflix, YouTube, all wants your attention. Even your phone wants your attention too. Every notification, every reel, every short, everything is designed to keep you engaged just a little longer. Slowly, without realizing, our brain adapts. हमारा brain fast entertainment का आदी हो जाता है, इसके reward का आदी हो जाता है. Think about it. A reel gives you entertainment in just 10 seconds. A YouTube short gives you a new dopamine hit with every swipe. बट स्टडिंग इज स्लो. पहले पढ़ना पड़ता है, फिर समझना पड़ता है, फिर समझाना पड़ता है, फिर रिवाइज करना पड़ता है. रिवॉर्ड बहुत बाद में जाके मिलता है. एंड दैट्स व्हाई मैनी पीपल स्टार्ट टू बिलीव दीस डेज दैट दे हैव लॉस्ट द फोकस, दे आर लेजी. एंड ऑनेस्टली आई यूज्ड टू थिंक द सेम थिंग. लेट मी टेल यू माय स्टोरी. फ्यू मंथ्स अगो आई हैव गिवन माय एमडी मेडिसिन एग्जामिनेशन. मैं पढ़ने बैठता था लेकिन कुछ ही मिनट में डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाता था. फोन चेक करना, रैंडम वीडियो देखना, अनलिमिटेड स्क्रोलिंग और फिर गिल्ट, लॉट्स ऑफ गिल्ट. आई कुडंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई आई वाज़न्ट एबल टू फोकस. एंड देन वन डे I ask myself a simple question. If I can watch a YouTube video for 3 hours, do I really have a focus problem? And then this question changed everything because suddenly I realized something. My focus wasn't gone. I have just trained in wrong direction. मेरा ब्रेन तो फोकस कर रहा है लेकिन पढ़ाई पर नहीं, एंटरटेनमेंट पर, डिस्ट्रैक्शंस पर, इंस्टेंट ग्रेटिफिकेशन पर. And once I understand that, I stopped calling myself lazy because the issue wasn't my character, the issue was my habits. Then what I did that actually helped me and can actually help you too. First thing is I stopped waiting for motivation. That was the biggest mistake I was making. I was telling myself मैं कल से पढ़ूंगा, when I will feel motivated I'll start, but motivation rarely showed up. So I changed my approach. Instead of saying I will study for 5 hours, I started saying I will study only for 20 minutes. That's it. 20 minutes, no pressure, no huge targets. And surprisingly, once I started, everything becomes easier. That's when I learned motivation doesn't create actions, actions create motivation. Second is I made my phone harder to reach. Earlier, I used to rely on willpower, and honestly, it never worked because when your phone's sitting right next to you, your brain keeps thinking about it. So I started keeping my phone in another room and start studying. Simple change, right? But that has a huge impact on my study timings because the best way to beat a distraction is not to resist it, is to remove it. Environment matter more than motivation. Third thing is I learned to be comfortable with boredom, and that was a game changer. I realized that I had become uncomfortable with boredom. The moment I get bored, I grab my phone, waiting for food, phone, waiting for someone, phone, lying on a couch, phone. My brain never get a chance to be still. So I start practicing boredom. Sounds strange, right? But it actually worked. Morning walks without phone, sitting quietly for few minutes without phone, driving without constantly consuming entertainment, and slowly my attention span start improving. But boredom isn't an enemy. Boredom is where focus is built. Fourth thing is I started to take my sleep very seriously. As a doctor, I know sleep was important, but knowing something and actually doing it are two different things. When I improved my sleep schedule, the difference was obvious. My concentration was improved, my memory was improved, my energy was improved, and studying feels less painful. And that's when I realized sleep isn't wasting time, sleep is a part of learning. Today I still got distracted. I still have days where I don't feel studying or learning. I'm not perfect, but I learned one thing. Focus is not a talent, focus is a skill. And like any skill, it can be trained.